I mean, with artificial intelligence, we are summoning the demon. You know those stories where there's the guy with, I mean, with artificial intelligence, we are summoning the demon. You know those stories where there's the guy with.
Greetings. This is your prophet, Mandla Jehovah. This is your prophet, as I'm called. I want us to look at this thing, digital money. Digital money, we all know, it's where we talk about getting into a Bitcoin or Ethereum. Those are the cryptocurrencies. Why cryptocurrency? Why cryptocurrency is coming large. And if you can just do your research, you can see with cryptocurrency, we have a bank who already have adopted indaba ye-cryptocurrency. I-cryptocurrency is a system efikayo njengamanje ezokwenza ukuthi imali singasayiphathi manje imali singawasawaphatha amakhadi singasawaphatha amakhadi masiya emabhenki ama-wallet ethu engabe saba namali manje but imali yethu ingene kwi-digital platform. So i-digital platform ila khona imali yethu ihamba nge-internet. So ngamanye amazwi sesizoba nemali ephathwa nge-internet. I'm just seeing myself nasebandleni lami la ngikhona sakhona Grace of God Prophetic Ministries sesinikela nge-Bitcoin where we have amakhadi e-Bitcoin. Okay, why kwenzeka lezi zinto zo cryptocurrency kwenzeka indaba zo Bitcoin? We all very know ukuthi i-Bitcoin is a very powerful cryptocurrency and akhona amanye ama cryptocurrency azanyiwe ukuthi abe khona. They tried maningi but there is not even one cryptocurrency ekwazi ukufika imatch noma ifike icindezela ilevel ye-Bitcoin. Right. Already, FNB Bank, FNB has already adopted indaba ye cryptocurrency and other banks. But in remember, in last episode we were talking about Elon Musk and his systems. Certain indaba ze AI, certain indaba zo Google, certain indaba ze 666. Right. Remember, Musk has initiated indaba ye-satellite ebizwa kuthiwa i-Starlink. I-Starlink, I have mentioned in last video that i-Starlink is a satellite laphana esibhakabhakeni. And remember that Elon Musk, according to ama stats, Elon Musk kuthiwa inyanga nenyanga kunama satellite akawaplantayo. Inyanga nenyanga anganoma iviki neviki kunama satellite akawaplantayo emkhathini. Remember, plan yonke lento is to be operated by AI. There is a video that I saw Elon Musk ekhuluma waze wathi we have created demons.
Instead, Musk warns about artificial intelligence, which he has called more dangerous than nuclear weapons. Musk spoke at a symposium at MIT.
I mean, with artificial intelligence, we are summoning the demon. You know those stories where there's the guy with the pentagram and the holy water, and he's like, yeah, you sure you can control the demon? Didn't work out.
I take it there will be no HAL 9000 going up to Mars.
HAL 9000 would be easy. It's way more complex than, I mean, it would put HAL 9000 to shame. Yeah.
He said it by his own mouth. We have unleashed demons. We have created demons. So ngamanye amazwi si create ama demon, sikhiqize ama demon, sikhiphe ama demon. So ngamanye amazwi uyazi ukuthi what they have been creating laphana kwinkampani yakhe ebizwa ngeTesla, kwinkampani yakhe leyana ecreate ama robot, kwinkampani yakhe ebizwa ngeStarlink, they have been creating ama demon themselves. So kunale company yakhe ebizwa ngithiwa i-aerospace. I-aerospace is the one that is dealing with every occurrence noma kuyona yonke into eyenza nama satellite lawo Starlink obanibani. right? No AI bonke, they have been created there. Okay, ngifuna sibuke le ndaba ye-cryptocurrency. I-cryptocurrency ihlangana phi nokusebenza kwe-system ye-666? Ihlangana kanjena-ke i-cryptocurrency ukuthi every person uma kufanele angene noma aloge in kwi-profile yakhe kwi-internet kuzofanele apresse kwi-computer yakhe laba bazobe bengenayo i-chip ye-Neuralink emqondweni yabo bazobe besebenzisa izandla ukupressa nokupressa ama-button ama-computer nokupressa ama-button ama-cellphone. Kodwa-ke laba bazobe bene-Neuralink la emqondweni sebefakwe le chip ka-Elon Musk la emqondweni bona bazobe sebesebenza ukuthi bavele becabanga nje avele acabange uma ecabanga then i-computer izo-interpreta umcabango wakhe escreenini bese kwenzeka le nto azobe eyicabanga. Okay, so ngamanye amazwi i-computer will be reading commands from umqondo nakwi-neurosystem yakho ukucabanga kwakho. Remember ukuthi there are billions of brain cells asemqondweni yomuntu. There are billions of brain cells ala kwi-medulla oblongata yomuntu, amanye ala kwi-cerebellum, amanye ala kwi-cerebellum, amanye ala what do you call this part of the brain where i-medulla oblongata la ehlangana khona? Is it stem ban? Okay, so yonke lento will be moving through internet, but in order for you to access your internet you will be pressing a code 666. Noma ngathiwa you are a Christian or you are not a Christian, but you will be entering your internet via i-code u666. So ngamanye amazwi noma ngathiwa uyamthanda usathane noma uyayithanda i666, but noma ngathiwa awuyithandi, but because imali izobe isiflowa via i-cryptocurrency you will be compelled, uzophoqeleka ukuthi nawe upresse u666. Izosebenza kanjani ke lento? Izosebenza kanje. Ngenkathi umuntu efuna ukukhokhela letha semhlamba mhlamba I'm going to buy a car kwa Toyota. Uma ngiyothenga imoto lapha na kwa Toyota, ngizofika ngene kwa Toyota bese kwa Toyota befuna ukuthola iprofile yami yezeyimali. Uma bezothola iprofile yami kwezeyimali kuzofanele bangene ku Google. Noma uma bengena ku Google there will be a platform ezobe ilaphana ku Google. Kuleyo platform icode okuzobe kungenwa ngayo izobe ithi www. If it is bitcoin.bitcoin.co.za. But we all know, ngiyoba ngingaveza ku last video ukuthi u-W in Hebrew simply means vav. Vav, it means 6. So if you say 6, if you say www, you are literally automatically saying 666.
Compelled everyone without exception, rich and poor, free and enslaved, to receive a mark on the right hand or on the forehead. Without the mark, no one could buy or sell. Everyone had to choose, worship the beast or starve. Now pay close attention, for this is what I saw. Let the one with understanding calculate the number of the beast, for it is the number of a man, and its number is 666. 6 is the number of man, the mark of what is incomplete. So 666 is imperfection at its peak, humanity pretending to be God. It is the fullness of imperfection.
So you are pressing the code 666. So automatically you are worshiping the devil. You are saying the one who is against Christ. Because 666 is a person that is against Christ. It's a spiritual form. It's a spiritual person. It's a spiritual God with a small letter G against Christ. So every person, no matter every person that lives under the shadow of the earth, under the shadow of the sun, will be worshiping the devil, whether you like it or not. But those who are under the shelter of Christ will be saved. So the only way to be protected in this is to be under the shadow and the shelter of Christ. But the Bible also says that church lobe selingasekho. So meaning ukuthi as Elon Musk busy ekhanda o-aerospace ekhanda o-Starlink yonke lento akayikhanda Elon Musk okay yonke lento akayikhanda Elon Musk izokwenzeka ibandla selingasekho. So meaning there will be a rapture. After the rapture selihluthiwe ibandla, then 666 will come and start their operations. So it means the technology sazokhula ngendlela emangazayo whereby abantu bazobe sebesebenza nge-internet. Kahle kahle i-internet is controlled by devil. Satan is in the internet. A person who formed, who created internet was a person who got umqondo from the devil. But yena wayengazi ukuthi umqondo wakhe has been initiated by the demons. Wayengazi ukuthi ungenwe umoya, kunomoya kaSathana osebenzisa ubuhlakani bakhe in order to create this technology ezosetshenziswa uSathana. It doesn't mean umuntu ma esuke as Elon Musk. Elon Musk uzothola ukuthi akazi lutho ngobusathane, but the devil is using his technology, his mind, in order to fulfill iplan yakhe. So i-cryptocurrency is one of the plans kaSathane yokuthi simworshiphe, so ukuthi umhlaba umworship. But all these things will be active after the church is gone. May God bless you, may God protect you with 666, may God protect you with technology in Jesus' mighty name. Shalom.